hello, Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, 10-5, descending 900,000, information Tango, expecting visual 24.
Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, 2 pound approach, reduce speed 220 or less, maintain 7,300.
Down to 7,300, 220 or less, 0 Mike Bravo.
Track 627, turn left heading 090, maintain at or below 5,000.
Number 527, clear track.
Clear track 527, thanks, 090, at or below 5,500.
090 at or below 5,500.
Okay, I think we got the field inside.
Track 527, we have a couple jets crossing overhead at 6,000, caution Mike turbulence.
Is that right? Is that right?
Roger, clear track 527.
November 588 Alpha Delta, connect approach 124.1.
24-1, 8 Alpha Delta.
Thanks, drive 620, traffic 1 o'clock, 5 miles eastbound, Cessna 5,300, descend and maintain 6,000.
Negative contact, descend and maintain 6,000, big drive 620.
November 627 Charlie Tango, it's caution similar sounding call sign on frequency, there's also 497 Tango Charlie, use the full call sign.
Roger, we'll advise full call sign, 627 Charlie Tango.
497 Tango Charlie, when you call, are you up?
Yeah, we got you, we're at 5,500.
Those needles.
We the last transmission.
497 Tango Charlie, thanks, advise when you have Tango Carlsbad.
Alright, we'll let you know, 7 Tango Charlie.
So avionics are set.
497 Tango Charlie. SoCal approach, crew track 352, level 4,000.
Crew track 352, SoCal approach, altimeter 3013.
3013, crew track 352.
Big stride 620, traffic no factor, descend and maintain 3,600.
Descend and maintain 3,600, we have the field inside us to help big stripe 620.
Big stride 620, cleared visual approach runway 24.
Cleared visual, runway 24, big stripe 620.
Five seven Juliet, copy that. However, your transmissions are very weak. Try another radio if you can. November 9 Echo Golf, proceed direct Oceanside, VOR.
Direct Oceanside, not golf.
Please.
7 Tango Charlie, maintain 5,500 for traffic ahead. 497 Tango Charlie, maintain 5,500 for traffic ahead.
Launch, we'll maintain 5,500 for 497 Tango Charlie.
November 627 Charlie Tango, turn right heading 220 for traffic.
Right, 220, 67 Charlie Tango.
7,300.
Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, traffic 1 o'clock, 3 miles, 5,400 at Cessna, descend and maintain 6,000.
Descending 6,000, looking for traffic, 0 Mike Bravo.
Big stride 620, 170 knots or greater till 5 mile final, connect tower 18670.
170 or greater till 5 and over tower, great day, big stripe 620. SoCal, 5456 Juliet, radio check.
5457 Juliet, thank you. I have you loud and clear. Descend at your discretion. Traffic 11 o'clock, 3 miles, 2,800 indicated.
Descending out of discretion.
You're down low. See it.
Clear track 527. Resume your own navigation.
Resume navigation, clear track 527.
Challenger 0 Mike Bravo, reduce speed 200 knots or less, maintain 5,500.
200 or less, 5,500, 0 Mike Bravo.
Clear track 638, connect approach
Right,
134.0.
200.
Pushing over to approach 134.0, clear track 638.
Cherokee 33291, descend and maintain 3,500.
Descend and maintain 3,500 for 32291.
Approach citation 747 Juliet 9,000.
Clear track 352, traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles, maneuvering 4,500 indicated.
Got him in sight, clear track 352.
Challenger 0 Mike Bravo, descend and maintain 3,636, advise field in sight.
Descend 3,600, field in sight, 0 Mike Bravo.
Clear Mike Bravo, cleared visual approach 24, connect there 186, good day.
Cleared visual 24, tower 186, 0 Mike Bravo.
Challenger 7 Juliet, descend. 0 Whiskey Charlie, shall unable, contact ground 1.
Alright, turning left Alpha 4 and then over to ground 0 Whiskey Charlie.
Flaps 10, please. Speed checks. Flaps 10.
Palomar Tower low, Challenger 150 Mike Bravo on the visual, 14 miles out, 24, going to western flight.
Palomar Tower, traffic may depart prior to arrival, runway 24, code line number 3, front regional jet on a 5 mile funnel.
September 3, looking for traffic. 150 Mike Bravo, clear to line 24.
You won't see him, I just have to tell you.
That's alright, I'll have to look.
Zero two, which one? Alpha 4, the Eclipse shuttle for you, contact ground.
Left out 4 over ground, thanks.
Palomar Tower System 5447 Lima, holding short 24 November 1, close traffic.
First of 47 Lima, roger.
Gear down, flaps 20.
Checks, gear down, flaps selected 20. Aircraft on the runway,
Nice, yeah.
flaps indicated 20.
Thank you. And buck
Break green.
116.
.116 bugged.
Thank you.
X-Stripe 620, Tron Alpha 6, contact ground.
Left Alpha 6 to the ground, good day, X-Stripe 620.
Flaps full.
Three checks, flaps selected.
4 landing checklist.
Break green confirm.
Confirmed.
Flaps 30.
Confirmed.
All lights are on and we are clear to land 4. We're still slightly high.
Yep.
And fast.
Yep.
Palomar Tower System 497 Tango Charlie is over the other side pier with Tango for a full stop.
For 47 Tango Charlie, Palomar Tower, make right traffic, runway 24.
Right traffic 24 to Tango Charlie.
Alright, number 482, we got that release on. We'll get you out of here in just a minute.
Roger that, 482.
100,
Crossing ref plus 10.
Okay.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Okay.
Boards out, reversers deployed.
Copy.
1,000 feet remaining.
Palomar Tower, citation 747, Juliet, I'm in on the visual 24.
17 knots.
To Palomar
Air
Tower,
control,
roger. There's going to be
full
several
reverse.
departures prior to your arrival. Runway 24, clear to land.
Clear to land 24, 747, Juliet.
0 Mike Bravo, left Alpha 6, contact ground 18.
Left Alpha 6, ground point 8, 0 Mike Bravo.
Alright, COM 2, for ground.
More ground, proceed across helipad.
November 1 Sierra Papa, squawk 0230. Departure frequency is 127.3.
Squawk 0230, departure frequency is 127.3, 7510 Papa.
Ground Challenger 150 Mike Bravo vacating runway 24 left Alpha 6 to Western flight.
November 150 Mike Bravo, Palomar ground tech to Western via Alpha.
Via Alpha 150 Mike Bravo.
Alright, Western via Alpha after landing checks.
Or complete.
Roger. Oh, there's an Osprey there.
Yeah,
Pretty cool.
one of them crashed a couple of days ago.
I think they're based not too far from here, between here and LA.
Oh, okay.
Palomar ground, Cessna 7510 Papa, Pacific Coast Flyers. Request taxi to 24 with information Tango.
Oh, those blades are massive.
Papa, Palomar ground,
Yeah.
runway 24, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 24, taxi
A cool
to Alpha,
machine.
7510
Yeah.
Papa.
Air Force. I didn't know Air Force had them.
Me neither? Usually Marines.
No, the Navy does. Marines. Yeah.
Oh, the car is here.
Yep.
Taxi lights off.
Cool.
Alright.
Hey.